Hey Dax, Scott Walker with Impact Layton SEO. I make all these videos just to potential referrals that you might be sending my way. So I just wanted to make one for you so that you can see it before we met tomorrow. So the first thing I do is just kind of go over the website and kind of where you're setting and kind of show you some updates that you can do yourself. Or if you don't, then that's, we can have a different conversation. But to start off here, really like your website, how you're on it a lot, like Dax Parental. It is saying a lot when you have the owner's business name on the website itself, and 30 years is quite impressive. But one thing that I would recommend for you is to have more content on your website. And I say that because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And that, to me, is a location and also a service. So, like windshield replacement, Clearfield, or Layton, or wherever we are. I'm in Layton, so I say that a lot. The other thing that you can do is if you save your images correctly, Heber City, Utah windshield replacement. Now, that is a keyword, but I didn't know you went up all the way to Heber, so I don't know why you'd want to be indexed for that, or ranking for that kind of keyword. So, just you can do that on all your, apparently that's one, but this one is not. So you can embed those behind the photos just so that you know that you're getting ranked for those, or indexed for those as well. And this is a third-party tool I use. I'll show it a little bit more in a minute. And the domain rating and URL rating is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up and also balanced whenever possible. And it looks like, just to let you know, you are on a no index, which means that your bots can't crawl and they don't want you to follow or index your website. So that could be why your metrics are all at 0. But usually to get a higher domain rating and URL rating is to get more backlinks or referring pages and domains. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure to stay within your industry and location whenever possible. So I did just go ahead and look at some, just a regular Google search. Like I said, I'm in Layton, so I just looked at windshield replacement Layton. You get your ads up here, Safelite, windshield connection, and auto glass now. These are great ways to generate business quickly if that's something you're looking for. And the way to optimize these, like this one I think has the best one because it's windshield replacement. It says it right there in the ad, so you know that you're clicking on the correct one. This one says window, so for me that, and then offers are always good too. So just to let you know, that's kind of how you would do that, and there's a bunch of other ways to optimize your ads as well, but those are great ways to generate business quickly. And then being in the Google Business Profile or the map pack, depending on when you learned what the terminology was. These are great ways to generate business too, because as people come here, they can check out your reviews. You could see your name, address, and phone number. Easily clicked on for the phone number if you're on your mobile device as opposed to a website as well, or a laptop. And to rank in the Google Business Profile, there's a lot of things you could do. You could add your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp. Reviews has been my biggest thing that I've seen is the biggest needle pusher to be ranking here. So getting more reviews would be great. And I make QR codes to make it really simple for business owners to get reviews. So that's a great way to do that too. And between the ads and the Google Business Profile, about 70% of searches stop right here. And then about 30% of searches come down into the organics or the website rankings. And so I did just look up Autoglass right here for you, autoglassonly.com. And, looking at their website, they do have a little bit more content on here, but that doesn't mean anything. But the biggest thing is they have a lot of referring pages and domains. And then it looks like they're being indexed for 18 keywords. So for those keywords, like I said, buyer intent keywords are windshield replacement Layton, so service and location. So yeah, you could see that there is quite a few of searches for windshield replacement with Layton attached to it. And so when you start to have better content on your website, better backlinks and citations, you could start to outrank your competitors with your website, or optimizing your ads will generate more business, right away, as opposed to SEO is kind of a long-term game. But just to give you an example, there's 150 searches for windshield replacement Ogden. There's 100 for windshield replacement Layton. Auto glass repairs, there's 1,000 searches for just between windshield and auto glass, and then Layton and Ogden. There's 1,000 searches each month. So when you have those, when you're outranking your competitors, a percentage of those total volumes will go to your website instead of theirs or your ads, and a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call or a form submit, and then depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Dax, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I hope this is beneficial for you, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one.